Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. So in today's manufacturing landscape, it takes more than just advanced machinery and skilled labor to stay ahead of the competition. We now need digital solutions that streamline operations, boost productivity, and ensure consistent quality. That's where manufacturing execution systems come in. So, what exactly is an MES? Simply put, it's a software solution designed to monitor, manage, and optimize a manufacturing process in real time. It provides actionable insights and control, effectively bridging the gap between the factory floor and enterprise level software systems. So, let's break down some of the key features of an MES. So, first up is real time data collection and monitoring. So, an MES collects data from machines, workstations, and operators exactly as and when it happens. And this instant feedback means that any issues are detected immediately, allowing for quick corrective actions. And enhanced visibility is another big win here, because with real-time monitoring, manufacturers get a clear, up-to-the-minute view of their production processes, helping identify bottlenecks, track progress, and keeping production schedules right on track. Plus, having access to all this real-time data empowers managers to make informed decisions quickly, optimizing operations, reducing waste, and improving overall efficiency. So next, let's talk about production schedules and workflow management. So an MES helps create detailed production schedules that align with demand forecasts, resource availability, and your production capacity. And this ensures smooth manufacturing operations without overburdening any part of the process. And by automating these workflows, an MES makes sure that each step in the process is executed in the correct sequence, reducing errors, enhancing consistency, and boosting productivity. But effective resource management is also crucial. And MES tools allow for the efficient allocation and tracking of labor, materials, and equipment. And this minimizes downtime and maximizes output. So lastly, let's talk about quality management and compliance. Because an MES integrates quality control directly into the manufacturing workflow, allowing for quality checks at every production stage. And this means that defects are detected and addressed promptly. And traceability and reporting are key features here too, because MES provides comprehensive traceability, enabling manufacturers to track the journey of each product from raw materials right the way through to finished goods. And this is essential for compliance with industry regulations and managing recalls effectively. So by analyzing quality data, manufacturers can continuously improve their product quality and their manufacturing processes. So there you have it. A manufacturing execution system is more than just a tool. It's a transformative solution that brings intelligence, agility, and efficiency into manufacturing operations. With features like real-time data collection, optimized production scheduling, and robust quality management, MES is a truly cornerstone of modern manufacturing. Embracing an MES can significantly enhance operational performance, ensuring that manufacturers not only meet but can exceed their production goals. And as the manufacturing landscape continues to evolve, adopting MES will be crucial for companies who are aiming to stay competitive and drive sustained growth. So thanks a lot for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog, and there you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.